know that Christmas will be green and bright. Under shine by day, all the stars
Get me out of here. Okay, we're awesome. We're clear. Awesome, guys. For your highest chances of survival, please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. Parents, please watch your children, all right? I think Santa's tired of doing it, all right? Anyways, guys, welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise. Oh my goodness, guys, that was my first Noel. Anyways, guys, my name is Skipper Ho Ho Ho. I'll be your Ho Ho host for the next 12 days. I'm so exciting. I know, I'm so excited. Now, we are beginning our journey deep in the Amazon rainforest. Now, does anybody know what why this is Santa's favorite river? Why it works? Anybody? No? No? It's because he loves rain. Deer. Magical, I know. I'll read here. Alright, now we're going to head around the corner, guys, and this is really exciting. You're going to see Inspiration Falls. Now, be careful, alright? Now, because Inspiration Falls can inspire even the meanest of Scrooges to go caroling. I know. Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise. No? No, not at all? Wow, it's not really working this year, is it? It's really unfortunate. Anyways, we're going to head into a new river now, guys. We're going to head down the Congo River, so let's see how far this boat's going to go. Hopefully it's very far. Hopefully not. Really no. Oh, man. But anyways, if you've never seen the Jungle Book, look right over there. Merry Christmas. It's the world-famous Jungle Book filled with the bare necessities. But, you know, speaking of, I set us up a Christmas party right over here on the beach that apparently nobody got the memo for. Sorry. Oh man, this is just like that time I threw a white elephant party. You can't bring actual elephants to parties. I learned that one the hard way. It's pretty crazy. Oh my goodness. That is disgusting. Why would you get someone that as a Christmas gift? That's crazy. Oh man. But at least it's all wrapped up with a bow on top. That's so nice. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and stop by my camp really fast. Oh no. Alright guys. Oh no, those are my in-laws. Oh no, I think they already saw me. Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright, let's get away from that monkey business, guys. Do you know what the main difference between an in-law and an outlaw is? An outlaw is wanted. Let's get away from that monkey business, guys. Let's go head down the Nile River. Now the Nile River goes on for Niles and Niles, and if you don't believe me, you're in Africa. Now right over here you're going to see a rare holiday elephant, only comes out for the holidays. It's the fastest animal in the whole world. He's already over here. Magnificent, a Christmas miracle. Alright guys, now we are arriving on the African belt. Known to hold up the African pants. A humongous responsibility, but look how beautiful it is to see all these animals coming together in harmony to celebrate the holidays together. That's absolutely beautiful. If you look right over there, even the lions invited a zebra for dinner. Yeah, don't worry about him, guys. He's just pretending to sleep so he doesn't have to talk to extended family. We've all been there, don't we? Anyways, moving on. Now, right over here, have you guys ever heard of the North Pole? You guys have heard of the North Pole. I know you guys have heard of the North Pole. Now, this is the quick before this rhino tramples us pole. Yeah. You know, I told them that rhinos can pretty much outrun anything, but, you know, they just didn't want to believe me. But, you know, what a rhino, right? After 87 years. But honestly, it looks like those guys are going to get the point in the end, right? So let's just get daddle out of here, okay? Now, this is going to be really exciting, guys, okay? Now, we're going to see Glacier Mountain. That's right. Now, this is the Jungle Glacier. It's perched on top of a really beautiful mountain. It's really nice because it only comes out for the holidays because it's so cold here in Central Florida. It's pretty amazing. So we're going to go ahead and... Oh my goodness, it melted. I guess it has been a warm winter, hasn't it? Yeah, alright, lean, guys, lean! Oh my goodness, that was a close one. I almost decked the folks at Molly. That would have been really awkward, wouldn't it? Oh no, uh-oh. That's a crash plane. That can only mean one thing. Hippos. Which means Santa got my Christmas list, guys. All I want is a hippopotamus. Oh, what's that word? Hippopotamus. We're doing great. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful, guys. And I did hear that we have a few new baby hippos in the jungle. And if you guys listen closely, you can hear them calling for their mothers. All right, so everybody listen out and see if we can hear them. Oh my goodness, guys. That was so beautiful. I'm glad we got to hear that together. That was gorgeous. All right, now we are heading into headhunter territory, which honestly is a horrible place to be headed. You can ask my last crew right over there. Yeah, they were on the naughty list. Yeah, no, they're there. Oh no. Looks like those guys are dancing in a circle. That means they forgot how to script. That's incredible. 3 drummers drumming. Supposed to be 12. That's really awkward. Ah! The ambush! Bring it down! Get down! Get down! God damn it! Flashing! What are you doing? We told you to do good! Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, you guys really overreacted back there. It's fine. You guys were paralyzed with fear. It's fine. Anyways, guys, now this is the moment we've been waiting for, a holiday special. The backside of Agnes! My heart is so happy. I love Christmas. Alright, now we are heading into the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Southeast Asia. Pretty magical. Oh, but man, that entrance right over there, that is really Mekong me nervous, guys. Have you ever seen it? No? No? Have you? I guess I should be the one that's seen it before, haven't I? Maybe it's Santa's workshop. That would be fun. Oh my goodness, yeah, maybe we can see how the toys get made. Oh, no, I was mistaken, guys. Definitely not Santa's workshop. Alright, you better watch out. I better not cry. Raise your hand if you didn't make it out. Don't lie, Santa's watching. Alright, now guys, we are riding our Indian elephant bathing pool. Now, how many of you guys only shower for the holidays? Oh, I can tell. Yeah, all the way over here, I can still tell. Now, right over here, you can actually see Bertha. Now, instead of showering her with gifts this holiday season, we decided to give her the gift of showering. She's also very sick. Francis, no, you can't just spray the boats because you got socks for Christmas. That's not how that works, alright, guys? So these elephants are really mad that they got socks for Christmas and they really want to soak the boat. Now, you might think it's water. Throw it down, pour it down, drink it down, not kidding, just kidding. Just kidding, they don't do that. But we do call that dry humor. You're welcome. Alright, guys, now we're going to head around the corner to my really good friend, Trader Santa. Isn't that so exciting, guys? Now, he has an incredible holiday deal going on, and that is going to be 3 of his heads for just 1 of yours. I know! Isn't that incredible? It's a killer deal. So either way you slice or dice it, guys, you will come out ahead. Or 2. And I think that's magical, right? Anyways, guys, now very soon we are going to be approaching dock, so please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. When we're exiting, please don't cross over anything in the middle, guys. Jungle Cruise, not the Jungle Gym, okay? Anyways, guys, oh my goodness. You know, I really have had so much fun. I think I'm gonna do it again. And again. And again. Isn't that so fun? I know. You guys ever want to come back and save me? See me? I'll definitely be around. And around. Guys, my parents are so proud of my twin sister. You know, guys, she's a doctor. I tried to be a doctor. Just didn't have the patience. Oh my goodness, when that didn't work out, I actually started working at this juice factory, right? But I just couldn't concentrate. So I got canned. It really took a humongous can opener to get me out of that one. But you know, after that, I went home and I got the really bad case of mistletoe. Blew the socks clean off my feet. It's pretty crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, I love that story. I really love that story because, you know, how many people can say that their socks just came off, you know, without them actually taking them off? Guys, when life gives you a boat, you make cranberry juice. That's the moral of the story, guys. That really is the moral of the story. You know, I'm running out of things to say, so I'm just going to say thank you. Thank you for being here today. You know, I'd also like to thank my legs for supporting me, and my fingers and toes. I'm always able to count them, you know, and my arms for always being by my side. And of course, the sidewalks for keeping me off the streets. I really do appreciate that. I'm running out of things to be thankful for. Thanksgiving's over, guys. Move the boat. Oh, it's really awkward. Anyways, guys, now my name is Skipper Ho Ho Hope if you did enjoy your cruise. And I really hope that you did. Okay, but if you didn't, it's okay. I understand. Oh my goodness, but I will miss you so much. Oh my goodness, guys, I love Christmas so much. Christmas is just such an exciting time of the year. And I just really want to say that, get out. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. What I meant to say was please, get out. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you later. Thank you. Thanks for the pity applause. Stop. You guys are too nice. All right. See you later, guys. I'll see you at Christmas, right?